Hey guys, in this video, going to go over how to set your favorite channels in your YouTube TV account. So what we want to do is head on over to tv.youtube.com. I'll post a link down in the description. We're going to want to do this in a web browser. Once you're logged in to your YouTube TV account, what we want to do is click on this little circle here in the upper right-hand corner. That's going to open up this menu, and then what we want to do next is click on where it says Settings. In our Settings menu over here on the side, we want to go down and find where it says Live Guide and click on that. And your favorite channels are essentially just going to go into the top channels area. So I have all of these channels favorited. If you want to move a channel up into your favorites, all you have to do is find where it says all channels, and whichever channel that you'd like to favorite, you just find this little arrow, click on that, and then it's going to put it up here into your top channels area, essentially favoriting that channel. And then you can drag and drop your favorite channels in whatever order that you'd like them to be in. So I'm going to add a handful of channels here. So I added these handful of channels into my favorites, and I can move them around however I want. All I have to do is drag and drop them into whichever order that I see fit. And to show you what this looks like in the live guide, so going to the top area of my top channels, my favorite channels area, FS1, ESPN should be the top ones to show up. So going back to the live guide, and I can see in this area right at the top, it's FS1 and ESPN. So my favorite channels are showing up right here at the top of the guide, and they're showing up in the exact order that I had placed them in. So I hope this video is helpful going over how you can favorite your channels so that they show up right at the top of your YouTube TV live guide. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.